This morning was a debate in my head simply because the dominoes were like 158, bro. So from the very beginning, I'm like, yo, I don't even know if this video right here is gonna be possible. So the fact that you're watching this is already a plus. I'm not gonna prolong this shit, so leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let me know if you decided to cop anything this week or did you sleep. I feel like the collab was hit or miss for a lot of people. The tekken shit either hit you in the soul and spirit or it just breezed right by you. A lot of people in the comments were saying that they weren't even gonna go for shit this week. It was only one thing on that list that I knew I needed or wanted, and we spoke about it yesterday: the dominoes. That's the must cop for me, at least. I know that the retail is a little high, but it's something that I could deal with, I guess. I know that they're not gonna drop any no time soon, so I gotta bite that bullet. This morning I'm on the website. I went straight to accessories, no playing. Once I was on there, I went to the dominoes, added them to cart. I'm over here using Apple Pay, but since I got a new phone, I'm having issues, bro. Like, my email ain't on that shit, and once I clicked the checkout button, my fucking name wasn't on the shit. So I went back again. I'm like, yo, nah, I'm not about to be played. So I put my information in once again on Apple Pay. I hit the double click, you feel me, scan my face or whatever. Boom, it's processing. It's taking a little minute at this point. I'm not gonna lie, it took like 20 seconds or so, something like that. Y'all could see that they taxing, bro. 185 for dominoes. They took it on my account, no problem, bro. That shit hurts. $17 tax. It was like an instant regret. It was like, as soon as that shit hit, I saw bills just flying through my face. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it's gonna be worth it. At the end of the day, I might have to make a video teaching y'all how to play dominoes just cause I got these shits. I gotta make some content out of it, bro. So y'all gonna see multiple videos. Y'all gonna learn with me, bro. Let me know if y'all copped anything in the comments. That was the only thing I even went for. I ain't even go to the other tabs to see what was going on. I'm about to fly through Drops by Jay stories real quick so y'all can see the little sticker up here with the Supreme box logo. Shit's looking clean. Tee in hand is fire too. I don't know if that's the tee or the hoodie, but it's looking nice. This button up is looking crazy. Like, nah, miss me with that shit. Dominoes, bro. It's the dominoes for me. The aluminum shit, it's gonna be everything. This jacket look kind of trash. The Supreme box logo is actually clean. I hope that they throw that shit in my order just cause I spent hella beans on it. All I'm asking for. This shit is actually hard too, bro. That sweater with the box logo on the back, the one I was roasting yesterday, it's actually kind of clean on body. Skate deck we already knew was fire. The docks is alright. I still don't know about that suit, bro. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. The stickers and shit were looking hard. Hopefully they give me a little blessing, you know what I'm saying? But Zippos, hit or miss. That big ass jacket, hit or miss too. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw something in there for y'all. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Road to 30K. I don't know how or when we gonna get there, but we gonna make it there, best believe. Hopefully y'all had a great day. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.